Hi, this is Sue with Creations by Sue, and today I'm going to demonstrate how I place a design or center a design on this little 18-month vest, which is going to be for my granddaughter. It's a fleece vest. And then I'm also going to show how I hoop this on the Mighty Hoop with a Freestyle fixture. So first of all, here's the design. It's an H on top of an applique circle. The applique circle is from All Day Applique, and the H is Stitchtopia Tweed design. And the circle is a 2-inch and the H is 1 inch, I believe. All right. The first thing that I'm going to do is measure the armhole here, and it is approximately 5 inches, about 5 inches. So I want to go about 2.5 inches up with this design. So then I'm using a smaller ruler, this one, and I'm going to find the 2.5 inch mark, which is about right there. Actually, that looks a little high to me, so I'm going to come down to about right there. So I came down about 1/2 inch. And then this is 4 inches across, so I know that my H is going to go right at the 2. I'm gonna slip that under so that it's centered there with that 2. And that's right about where I want that design. So then I'm going to tape it down. And on this fabric, it's pretty difficult because it's all fluffy. I just do my best to hold it. All right, now it's ready to be taken to the hoop. So here we are with the Freestyle fixture, and I'm going to put my hoop onto this fixture, but first of all, I'm going to increase just kind of zoom so you can see what I'm doing a little better. Okay, there we go. So this is our 4x4 hoop. We're going to turn it upside down, put it on the fixture, and then I need to use a cutaway stabilizer because she'll be wearing this. So the saying goes, if you're going to wear the item, don't tear. And we know that cutaway will not tear, so we put that in to these clamps and clamp it down. And then I've got the vest here, and I find the easiest way to do this is to put it on sideways, because putting it on, well, we're going to do this, putting it on that way, that's just going to be a lot of bulk up there at the top of the machine, and the same with the other way. So it's a little challenging to hoop, as you can see. And I also need to be focusing on getting this straight in the hoop. So I'm working on lining up this line. You know, I'm just eyeballing this line with that line. And it looks pretty good right there. Now I take the top hoop and I make sure that the warning sign is at the top. Oh, this looks a little crooked yet. Okay, let's see. That looks pretty good, and then I'm going to just clamp this right on. Clamped on, and I check this area, these 2 spots, and I kind of make sure that it's pretty lined up, and it is the same here with these, so that looks really good. It is nice to have these centering dots that you can line this up with. And this is ready now to go to the machine, so I will remove it from the Freestyle fixture and head to the machine. And here I've brought it over to my Brother PR 1055X, which is where I will be stitching this out. I wanted you to know that I did not use the snowman sticker just because I know people that don't have that feature will probably be watching this demonstration, and that is why I showed how to do this without that feature. That completes the demonstration for this video, and I will be making a video on how to center the design on your PR 1055X and then stitch it out using a metallic thread. And I'll also be using a glitter HTV vinyl for the background on that applique and show you how I can easily remove that without having to cut it ahead of time into the shape that I need it to be. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to press the subscribe button to be notified of future videos.